Sabi, pinakita pa sa akin yung mga screenshots ng conversations. So nagulat ako kasi yung tao na yon does not have any authority.
How does it feel to finally say you are married to the most beautiful woman tonight?
I feel I'm the luckiest guy in the world.
Yes!
So eto na nga mga Habibis, I'm on my way to Nasugbu, Batangas. Kasama ko ang ating driver, si Babalu, na kumakain din ng sandwich.
So eto na nga mga Habibis, nandito nga ako sa Pico de Loro sa Batangas, sa Nasugbu, Batangas. And for the year 2025, I believe this is going to be my last event for this year. And I'm so happy na it's gonna be a wedding because of all the events na I've been a part of, weddings are my favorite. Sabi nga nila, forte ko daw talaga yung weddings, especially pagdating sa hosting.
The program is about to begin. While waiting for the program to start, we have musical entertainment for all of you. Please welcome.
At meron lang din akong gustong i-clarify because recently I made an announcement. I noticed a warning against a certain individual because may mga client na gustong kumontak sa akin because nakita nila ako kumakanta at nag-host. Sabi nila, Sir David, akala ko hindi ka na nag-host or hindi ka available because meron akong tinanungan si ganito at sagot niya is nag-retire na daw ako sa pag-perform, hindi na daw ako nag-host or sinasabi niya hindi na daw ako available. Hindi po yung totoo. Yung tao na yun po does not represent me. So all the clients have been warned naman. And yun nga po, I do host events and it's still my passion. I still perform. So minsan kinukuha ko as a host, minsan kinukuha ko just as a singer, or minsan kinukuha ko together with my band. So I'm gonna put sa comments na lang no kung if ever you're inquiring about my services, my packages at saan ako mahanap.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. A fantastic evening to one and all. My name is David Mercado. It is such an honor to be your host tonight. Welcome to the wedding celebration of Binary and Laika. Oh, round of applause, ladies and gentlemen!
Actually, come to think of it, okay lang naman sa akin kung hindi ako ang kukunin ng client. Pero it would have been fair to the clients to tell them the truth na hindi na ako under them. Kesa naman sa ginawa niya na sinabi niya hindi na ako available, hindi na ako nag-host, hindi na ako kumakanta at prinisentan niya yung mga sarili niyang talents, yung anak niya, ganun, para maipasok niya sa event. Diba? Kasi to be fair sana to the clients, ako yung ni-request ng clients. So I have the right to say if I'm available or not. Hindi yung magpresenta ka ng iba tapos magsisinungaling ka about my schedule, which hindi naman ikaw may karapatan because you don't have access to my schedule and you don't represent me at all. Ganon, nakakaloka, diba? But anyway, mag-ingat po tayo sa mga taong ganon.